Hi there, YouTubers. This is Mems808 talking about my SHTF setup. Now, my first rig here would be my first choice, my DPMS 223 AR-15 rifle, along which I believe any long firearm or any rifle should have the secondary. That's a Smith & Wesson 40 cal. I'll do some later reviews on that pistol, but for now this is my first rig when it comes to SHTF or WROL. Now, I just got this AR-15. I will do some later reviews on it, but right now it's simple DPMS 223 AR-15 along with my Smith & Wesson 40 cal. Now, my second rig or second choice would be my Mossberg 500 Persuader pistol grip. Kept it as light as possible. I have a side saddle and a red dot on there. And again, along with its secondary, which this is a 92FS Beretta American along with 4 mags. I'll do some later reviews on that also. But today I just wanted to share with you folks my first two primary rigs I would consider when it comes to SHTF or WROL. There you got it. Smith & Wesson 40 cal Sigma along with the DPMS 223 AR-15 and the Mossberg 500 with the 92FS Beretta 9mm. I'm sorry. Yeah. Right. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like my firearms. And again, I will be doing some later reviews on my pistols. I have a couple more in the closet, and maybe a few ammo videos. Please subscribe. Please don't be shy to comment. Thank you. Bye.